Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, can you believe it? It's time to wrap up 2021 and welcome in 2022. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new subscribers, and a big thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel. I appreciate all of the love and support you've shown me this year. Today, and for the rest of this week, we're going to wrap up 2021, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm not going to show you my favorite things. What I am going to share with you are those things that I intend to use in 2022, and all of these items that I'll be using will come from the Dollar Tree, but that does not mean that you have to shop at the Dollar Tree. Some of you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, or you might be out of the country, but it will give you an idea of some of those go-to staples that you might see me using throughout the year. In case you happen to be in a store where they have similar items, you might want to grab a few. So that is how we're going to spend this final week of 2021. For most of the days, I'll concentrate on showing you 5 items, but that doesn't mean that I won't be using other things throughout the year. But these 5 items in the series are things that you can count on me using in 2022. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to get started. All right, y'all, so what I'll be sharing won't be in any particular order of importance. These will just be things that I will have in my stash in 2022. In case y'all are wondering what are some of the Dollar Tree items you can expect to see me using. So the first thing that I'm sharing are notepads, composition books, mini notepads, anything that Dollar Tree sells that you can write on and turn into a journal or a portfolio, or you can decorate and dress up. You can definitely expect me to be using Dollar Tree writing pads of any type and any size on the channel in 2022. So no matter the store you're shopping, be on the lookout for writing pads and writing tablets in various sizes and styles. And as you guys know, I really do like these chopping mats, and I've used them quite a bit on the channel. I'm always looking for different ways that we can use these in our crafting. So I'm definitely going to keep a nice supply of these on hand. You might be able to find something comparable at your local store. I also believe that they now have these on Amazon. I think someone has opened up a store where they're selling some of these Dollar Tree things, and I think this might be one of them. So if you're in the store and you see any type of translucent, flexible chopping mats, go ahead and pick up a few, because these are very nice to have in your crafty stash. And for me, I maintain a healthy supply of these because I pick them up anytime that I see them. I don't buy all that they have, but I'll pick up 2 or 3 every time that I see them in the store, because sometimes they can be really hard to find. So if you happen to be in a Dollar Tree and you see these, go ahead and grab yourself 4, 5, 6, however many you want to store in your stash. And then where would my channel have been in 2021 without these vinyl placemats? If you happen to see these placemats, I believe that they are 12 by 18. So if you see some of these, go ahead and grab them, because they come in so many different patterns. The patterns are just absolutely gorgeous. We didn't get a chance to use this guy in 2021. I'm going to work him in 2022. And then, of course, the colors in this style of mat. They have them in the restaurant style, the coffee style. The colors are so vibrant. And I started doing my placemat crafting on the channel with these vinyl mats in 2021. And I had a ball with them. There's so much more yet to be done with these placemats. But I was so thrilled at how well you guys took to the placemat crafts. So of course, we'll do it again in 2022. And like I said on the other items, you don't have to get these from the Dollar Tree. If you're in the store and you see vinyl placemats that you like, go ahead and pick them up. If you're on Amazon and you see vinyl placemats that you like, go ahead and pick them up. I love the fact that I can still get these for $1. I know some Dollar Trees have gone up, but mine haven't yet, so I'm still able to grab mine for $1. Even at $1.25, I consider this to be a bargain. So be on the lookout for 12 by 18 inch placemats. And then my fourth staple, and like I said, this is not in any particular order, are the gift boxes. And then the gift boxes that I've been using come in a variety of sizes. You have the small, medium, large, and I think I even use what I would consider an extra small box. But in this particular set here, you get 3 for $1. So that's basically 6 pieces for $1. And you guys did see me do quite a bit of crafting with the boxes. Even the decorated boxes for Christmas, we work those into our crafting. So when you're in the Dollar Tree or any store, be on the lookout for gift boxes. Or if you receive Christmas gifts that were in boxes similar to this, save those boxes because we'll be able to use them to make some awesomely sweet crafts. And then finally, this is an absolute staple in my crafty stash for 2021, 2022, and beyond. So if I did have to pick a number one out of all the things that I get from the Dollar Tree in terms of staples that I keep in my crafty stash, this would probably be number one because I love working with this 11 by 14 poster board. It comes in a very rich black. You get 5 pieces in that. And then we have a very easy to work with white. These are great for box making, card making, bag making. They're so multifunctional, and you guys have seen me use these to make so many different things on the channel, and it's not going to stop because I keep a very, and I mean very healthy supply of these. So if you're in the Dollar Tree, go ahead and grab some when you see these as well because they tend to be out of stock a lot. So when you happen to run across them, grab a few packs. If you don't have access to the Dollar Tree, but you do have access to poster board wherever you are, you can grab that as well because I'm sure that it is a suitable substitute for the pre-cut 11 by 14 inch sheets. So y'all, that's pretty much it in terms of the 5 crafty Dollar Tree items that I will always use in 2022. I won't use them every day, but I will always find a way to use these items in my crafts. Now, I want to give an honorable mention to Dollar Tree stickers because you guys see me use these a lot. Dollar Tree has truly stepped up their sticker game. Their stickers are very nicely made, very vibrant, very relevant to the type of crafting that I do. So I'm going to give an honorable mention to these stickers. When you're in Dollar Tree, make sure you go back to the Crafter's Square to look at the stickers that they offer. Grab a few and start growing your sticker collection. So guys, I hope that you have liked day 1 of my 5 for 5. And I'm calling it 5 for 5 because for me, my Dollar Tree still is $1. So I can get 5 of any one of these items for $5. So I hope that you have enjoyed the beginning of this 5 for 5 series. And remember, even if you don't have a Dollar Tree, that doesn't mean that you can't find items similar to this. So y'all come back tomorrow for another 5 for 5. As always, you guys, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.